We don't intend to discriminate between any individuals. All our teachers are equally valuable to us. This story are created in influence and inspiration from real life interactions with teachers, but at parts it's fictional. The meaning of the story and our thoughts can be understood only on watching till the end. This story does not intend to disrespect any individual or their thoughts. All kind of government norms issued due to COVID-19 are followed while making this video. No one stepped out of their house while making this video.
Good morning and namaskar to my wonderful students. Today we are meeting after 4 days. Hope you enjoyed the holidays and weekend with your family. Today I am here for a big announcement for you all. Maybe many of you won't like it, but we, the school authority, is compelled to take this decision for you all. From today, no one is allowed to go out of their classroom after every period without the permission of their teacher, and no one is free to go to other sections or roam in the corridor without any valid reason. Anyone who won't follow this can get severely punished. That's all I had to say. Thanks to everyone. Follow the instructions and have a good day ahead.
This is the first time I'm a bit angry at our principal.
I never thought he could make such a harsh announcement.
It's not that. Sir took the decision alone. This decision was to be made by everyone from this administration.
Well, I am not at all happy with this decision. Now, we cannot talk to friends from other sections, neither can we take their help in studies.
I'm not talkative, so it won't affect me much. Hey, did you see the news?
No, is there something special?
We just open the K news now.
Okay, wait.
Hi guys, I am Orunima Dash with you as usual. Sharada Vidya Mandir from Raiganj, West Bengal becomes one of the 15 most disciplined schools in India. According to the CBSE inspector, they have never experienced such a hospitality in any other school. The culture, the discipline that holds there is really great. The school administration says that most credit of this achievement goes to the principal of the school. For now,
Due to this job, I have to visit more than 300 schools. But Sharda Vidya Mandir is exceptional.
True, this school is the one which I'm not going to forget in a lifetime. They do follow all kinds of CBSE guidelines. Maybe their infrastructure is not highly decorated with swimming pools and parks, but still they make it most with what they have. The administration, with the help of the students, are aiming to build a model school, a school that deserves to be admired.
The charm in the students there, the sense of hygiene, the eco-friendly environment, and obviously the culture has delighted me.
Yeah, I was also shocked that even after the bell of the tiffin break rang, no students came out of their class in an indisciplined way. Such a manner I have never ever seen anywhere.
Our visit to there was a surprise to everyone, but still the discipline was an exception.
If this discipline continues, then surely it is going to be the best academically too. Other schools are busy in making good students, but Sharda Vidya Mandir is not only focusing on making students good, but they are really looking forward to make a good human beings to build the future of India.
This is big. Achieving such a position in the whole country among thousands of schools is stunning. This could not have even came in even our dreams if we didn't see our current principal.
That day, when he made the announcement that no one could come out of the class, I was too angry at him. But I never thought it could have such outputs.
Really, this man is awesome. Sometimes I feel that he is a Swami Vivekananda of present days.
নমস্কার, গুড আফটারনুন স্টুডেন্টস। আশা করি তোরা সবাই ভালো আছিস। আচ্ছা, তাহলে পড়া শুরু করা যাক। যতদূর সম্ভব আজকে কবিতার শেষ অংশটুকু বাকি ছিল, তাই তো? ঠিক আছে, তাহলে স্টার্ট করছি। তো এই ছিল কবিতা। তোদের কারোর কোথাও কনফিউশন বা বুঝতে পারছিস না যদি হয় তাহলে আমাকে এখনই বলে দে। তোদের যে জায়গায় বুঝতে ভুল হচ্ছে সেই জায়গাটা আমাকে বল। হ্যাঁ বলো।
ম্যাম, আমি শেষের দুটি লাইন বুঝতে পারিনি।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, বুঝিয়ে দিচ্ছি, কোনো ব্যাপার।
এবার বুঝতে পারলি? ও বুঝিসনি?
তোদের যেখানে অসুবিধা হবে সেখানে বলবি। আমাকে কিন্তু ভয় পাওয়ার কিচ্ছু নেই। না আমি পাপ না আমি ভালো, আমি তোদেরকে 100 বার হোক 1000 বার হোক যতবারই হোক আমি তোদেরকে বুঝিয়ে দেবো। তাতে কোনো ভয় পাওয়ার কিছু নেই। আচ্ছা তাহলে আশা করছি তোরা সবাই বুঝে গেছিস। তাহলে আজকে কি করবি? কিছু তো করার নেই, চল আজকে একটা গল্প শুনবি তো? আসলে দেখ ওই দুটো সেকশন অনেক পিছিয়ে আছে, তো আজ আর নতুন কিছু শুরু করবো না, আজকে একটা গল্পই শুনবো। বেশ একটা ভয়ানক গল্প, ঠিক আছে?
Get it? What is the use of narrating such random stories when the syllabus is not completed? To me, it's a total waste of time.
I enjoy these stories.
Remember that moral-based story that Mab said 2 months back? Today, that story helped me a lot to take a really big decision. If I was not exposed to the moral of the story, I would suffer a lot taking wrong decisions.
There are many things that we don't understand at first, but our teachers make us prepare for future from all aspects, not only for studies but also for everything else.
First of all, I never get full attendance, and you people are sitting here and they are also singing in worthless way. This is what a chorus is expected to be. Our effort will go in vain if you people don't do it properly.
If we do any mistake, the song sounds so good this time.
This man is never satisfied. Even if we get the Oscar, still he won't be satisfied for our performance.
They just nailed it. I didn't have such chorus before.
Really, a team of more than 40 people singing together in a proper rhythm is epic.
The main people to be credited for it are the teachers. They really did a great job.
No one can disagree. That is very clear how much effort the teachers gave.
True. They not only taught the students to sing the song in a proper way, they also taught them to work in team, to stay and work unitedly and to be perfect.
All these are surely going to help each of them in many ways.
Spix macaw has not went extinct.
Believe me, Spix's macaw was declared extinct in the wild recently and is no longer found in its natural habitat.
No, Spix macaw has not went extinct. No, it hasn't. Listen, I'm approximately 9 months older to you. So you need to keep in mind that I know more than you. Learn to respect your elders or else you won't be able to do anything. And also keep that in mind that I am role number 1 and you are role number 22.
See, I am not disrespecting you, but I recently did some studying and I came to know about it. You may be role number 1, but I have special interest in.
Namaskar, good morning students. What were we supposed to do today?
Ma'am, copy.
I remember that today I am going to collect your copies for the copy maintenance marathon, right? I hope you all have brought that. And if not, then I am not going to give marks on the copy maintenance. Okay, so let's start with Joy Prakash's copy.
Yes, ma'am.
Speaks macaw is extinct, is it so?
Yes, ma'am. Few days back, I attempted to learn more about it and got to know this.
Okay, this is a new thing I came to know. See, teaching is always about learning. You are much younger than me. So what? Today I came to know about a new thing about my subject from you. You have really maintained a nice copy, Jai Prakash. You deserve a gift from me. I would like to keep this copy with me if you don't have any problem. if this copy will really inspire others.
No, ma'am. It would be my pleasure if you do that. And this would encourage me too.
The decisions that our teachers take are often disliked by us, but they are the people who can see what would be the best for us. They are a source of encouragement and influence to us. They can even explain a easy topic for 100 of times if we have any problem. They not only make us academically strong, but also make us prepared and mature for our future in several ways. Maybe sometimes they often speak of their heart.
They only show dissatisfaction to our work.
But that is so we can really turn it into perfect. By teaching us punctuality, discipline, and learning mentality, they really build us as great humans. So, we really want to say to all our teachers, with our respect and from core of our heart, Happy Teachers' Day.